Hey everyone, this is Steve from webrockstar.net, and in this video we'll be taking a look at Notes Widget Wrapper Pro. Now this is the Pro version of Notes Widget Wrapper that is available at webrockstar.net, but of course the free version is always still available in the WordPress plugin repository, although it does not have some of the more advanced features in the Pro version like shortcodes. And let's take a quick preview at one of the finished examples. As we can see here, we have some sticky note styled content at the side of our regular post content. And I do have a demo website set up right now that we'll be using in this video. And I do have some sample content and a sample page set up that we will be using as well. And although I am using a page in this example, Notes Widget Wrapper Pro will work with any post type that supports the standard WordPress content editor. Now before I get started, I'm just going to remove this old shortcode that we were using in that quick preview at the start of this video. And to show how it works, let's open up the Notes Widget Wrapper Pro shortcode editor, and from here we can see that we can configure the shortcode to our liking with all of the various settings. And I do have a few shortcodes ready to go that are already pre-styled. So for these examples, let's go with a gray thumbtack color. For text color, let's go with dark gray. For background color, let's go with blue. Font size +10. We do not want to use our own CSS, and we do not want to force uppercase letters. Font style, let's go with Callum. Shortcode settings, let's go with a max width of 400, and we want that to be pixels. Alignment, let's align that to the left. And let's insert our shortcode. And let's position it exactly where we want. And I do have some HTML ready to go that we will insert inside our shortcode. And you can insert any HTML or content you wish, and anything inside of the opening and closing Notes Widget Wrapper shortcode will get styled. And that looks good to me, so let's update. And let's flip over to the front end again, refresh. Alright, and there we go. That's another example. And to show you the flexibility of Notes Widget Wrapper Pro, let's go ahead and remove this once again, and let's play around with another shortcode. Click on the Add Note Wrapper button to open up the modal window. And in this example, let's go with a thumbtack color of red, as well as a text color of red, a background color of yellow, and font size, yeah, let's stick with +10. For CSS settings, we do not want to use our own. Let's not choose the force uppercase options. Let's stick with, or actually let's go with Callum fonts. And let's stick with a max width of 400 pixels. And align this to the left. Once again, insert and close. And I do have some HTML that we can use. Replace the default contents. And let's save this. And flip over to the front end once again and refresh. And there we go. Got a nice picture of a cat with some sample text. Now, you will likely find that the shortcode editor makes creating shortcodes easier, but you have the flexibility to go ahead and modify the shortcode by hand. Let's play around with some of these settings and updates. And let's flip over back to the front end and see what changes, what those changes caused. And if you do choose to modify or create shortcodes by hand, there is a handy reference that is available in the Help tab. You'll see there's a reference for all of the various shortcode attributes and valid values, as well as some general tips for if you want some more granular styling of the HTML elements that are inside of the Notes widget wrapper shortcode. So there you have it. This is a quick overview of the main features of Notes Widget Wrapper Pro. If this seems like it may be useful to you in one of your upcoming web projects or existing web projects, you can head over to webrockstar.net and it is available for download there. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.